Hi! Essential oils are natural and safe to use around the house and the family with no chemicals, no nasty stuff, and they're effective cleaning agents. So I'm gonna demonstrate how I use my spray for the shower. I just use vinegar, alcohol, water and essential oils. I will post the recipe below, but it's basically lemon or orange. It will be pine or eucalyptus, whatever you like. And it's just highly concentrated, so a little go a long way. And it's just very simple. You do it after every shower. Everybody can do it. And imagine coming the following day for a shower and the steam brings these beautiful aromas into your shower. It's uplifting, invigorating and refreshing. So it's simple, it's quick, it's safe and everybody can do it. So if you do it at home, please share below.